Nike outlet Torrance, 30% off the back wall. Look at this, extended size pricing. Starts at size 10. And we see Jordans going for 60 something dollars. Are you serious? Get Air Max for over 50% off. As well as Jordan 2s. And Jordan 1 High Golf going for 70% off. Happen to be out in Torrance. Latest release, the latest Jordan 1 behind the counter right there. Crazy to have Jordan releases at the outlets. That's becoming the norm, it looks like. All right, let's go see what's up on the back wall. On the back wall, we do get 30% off the hash wall. I just noticed something really weird. They started extended sizing a bunch of stuff at size 10. So $90, you get an extra 30 off. Jordan 1 highs going for 60 something dollars. 63 bucks, really? And we're seeing a ton of them. $63 Jordan 1 High OGs. Got $70 Jordan 1 High Golfs right here. Got multiple of those. Yeah, and size 10 got a bunch of them. Extended size priced. $100 for the Beachroom 97s. Girly Terminators right here going for 60 bucks. Remember, 30% off on top. Pre-days going for 60. What they talk about for these 97s? Oh, these are 9.5, so no extended size pricing on those. Nor the Booker T's, so they're the Bookers, but I call them the Booker T's. It seems like it's extended size price on all the stuff that's been sitting here for a bit. Zion 3s for 100 right here. Oh, those Air Maxes, they might just not have been labeled yet. Look at this, Air Maxes, $70 for these bad boys right here. Tatum's going for 80 with the extra discount on top. Forces right here go for 95. 90 for the Jordan 2s. The gray tags usually mean extended size pricing, so it usually means lower than the smaller sizes, but once in a blue moon you'll see people just use that by mistake. But yo, everything here seems to be extended size price. 10 and above. GT cut 3s right here, 130 for those. Jordan 2s right here, go for 90. These are size 11. Yeah, size 11. Got some Pro Strongs right here, go for 100. 6 rings go for 90, size 11. But y'all, they got a bunch of these in different sizes. Some boots right here. SFB B1s go for 80. Some high-ass boots right there. Infinity Runner 4s right here, $70. These are 11.5. Remember, you get another 30 off on top. Under for the Jordan 1 Low OG Christmas edition right there. More of these in a size 12. Zion 3s going for 100. Luka 1s. How did they stop? Luka 1s, $70 for those. Trainers right there. And then do got Air Max 1 Nike by You. Still want 150 though. 13 and up. These are size 15. Holy cow, these are huge. $90 for those. These do not look huge. Vaporfly Next Percent size 8. These are size, oh yeah, 8 men's. 130 for those. 60 for these size 15 next gens. GT Cut 3 size 14, 130. That's a hell of a deal. Under 100 bucks for the latest GT Cuts. Jordan 1 Fly Ease size 14 go for 90. That's definitely interesting. I don't think I've ever seen them extended size. Starting at size 10, I've seen 11s. Usually it's 12 and 13s and up. That's interesting. Now we're going to check out some of the clearance apparel. I'm checking to see if they have any tech fleece deals. Got yoga right here, down to 37. You do get an extra 30% off clearance right now. I guess East LA was the only one with 40% off this weekend. Did get you guys that video as soon as I could. $90? $90 for those sweats? 50 for these bad boys right here. These are way thin though. Blacks going for $100. All black. Super thick. Oh, okay, never mind. Pretty thick sweats right here, 35. All right. Fleece shorts, that is fleece shorts. They got tech fleece shorts right here, 40% off the tech fleece shorts. It's only army green though. price is $65, and then you do get 40% off. So was that $40 for the shorts? Not too bad. And they got the OG fleece jackets right here, go for $100. These, it looks like you get 30% off, $105. These are the ones with no hoodie on it. You still go for $100. I don't know if you get the extra discount off all these fleece right here, but they got fleece jackets. It seems like they're all back to 100, which is kind of weird. Hope you guys picked one up at Foot Locker when they had for 70% off. Damn. Joe Burrow jersey right here, $285. Normally $350. Holy cow, it's like the super authentic one. Holy cow. It's like a double XL. I think it's huge. Padres double XL jerseys right here, $175. These look like the really official tissue ones as well. Okay. I don't know who that is. Oh, what's the price? $175. This tech fleece right here, they got for 30% off. It might be on the wrong section, to be honest, though. UNC jacket. This is a large. Pretty freaking nice. That's pretty dope, dude. That is pretty dope. It is a large, $170. You get 30 off. A couple of these in a small as well. Medium too. Did they have like a whole size run? What the hell? And USA shirts. Every outlet stores had these. We've seen these down to 15 though. 15 with another 30 off. All right, checking out the rest of the clearance section right here. Smaller sizes. So right here you see all the red tags because things are not extended size priced. So 9.5 go for $130. The Zions right here, they're down to $60 though. $60 for Zion 3s. Who cares about extended sizing at that price? Because yeah, $60, that comes out to $42. $42 for Zion 3s. Or you could get this one for regular price. I think they forgot to mark that one. Yeah, and look, the Jordan 1 High OGs, $125 over here. Without the extended size pricing, you can see the difference. Look at that. $150 for the Air Max 97s. Huge difference between 10 and above, as well as smaller sizes. Jordan 2s right here, size 8, go for $130. Yeah, smaller size is kind of a ripoff, huh? $120 for these. These are size 5, pretty much kid size. Guess women can wear them too. $85 for the Air Max Pre-Days. $170 for the graffitis. These are size 8. All right, let's see what's going on in the aisles, and then we'll check out clothes and then women's apparel. I mean, women's shoes. What the hell am I talking about? Air Max 2013s. I said a while back, I think we're going to see a bunch of these at the outlets because Nike's made a ton of these recently. Forever omnipresent at the Nike outlets. Air Max 2017s. They always got numerous colorways. Deep Royal Hyper Cobalt. I think I got these at home. I think they're like $60 for mine. Free Icon 5s. A couple of them. Icon 8s. I would love these at a really cheap price. Air Max 90 Volt colorway. Kind of, sort of, not really. It's like a more dead version of a Bolt. Yeah, it's just a more dull version. What the hell? Khaki Cyber. Light, Smoke Gray, and Phantom. We've been seeing these forever at the outlets, I feel like. Airspan 2s. And a ton of these next gen. These just came out. The quality ones, I feel like those just came out. More next gens. Budget signatures right here. Got Witnesses. We got Katie Trey 510s. Immortalities right here. Then all kinds of Team J's. All kinds. X Aura 2s. Be Loyals. Then we got one of the latest Jordan releases here. And these are going to continue to fall. And the GT Hustles with all kinds of Air Max or Zoom Air units in the front. The Safari print that we've seen so much of lately. $205. Wow. Man, is it me or like the running section been extra mediocre lately? Just been hella bootleg looking. The Flex, what is this? The free runs right here. Just that type of stuff. I haven't seen much lately at all. Got the Infinity Run Gore-Tex right here. I don't think I've ever seen these. Okay, Infinity Run 4s with the React X does have Gore-Tex on the upper. And some Infinity Run 3s right here. Some Pegasus. Going for way too much still. What the hell? The hell, $100. All right, checking out more of the apparel. Do got some shorts right here. These are above the knee. All right, those don't look that short, but not too bad. $50, you did get an extra 40 off. Got t-shirts right here. You also get $40 off of these, but they're just JDI t-shirts, nothing too special. 25 plus 40 off on top. Section of t-shirts right here go for 30% off. A bunch of Nike graphic tees. Hoodies right here, 30 off of 55. Sweatshirts going for 55 with the extra discount. We do got some more tech fleece right here. Bottoms only. These are the classic tech fleece right here. $90. They get an extra 30 off on top. Polos right here, you get an extra 40% off of $35. So that's like $20 per polo. That's not too bad. T-shirts, more t-shirts. Nike Golf, another 40% off all these. These are $40. So what's that? $24. It's not too bad. Also got shorts, some slack shorts, some golf slack shorts. Is that what they're called? Golf shorts. Hell if I know what they're called. 45 for those bad boys right here. And the all black slacks, $60. I believe you get 40 off on top of all that. All right, checking out the women's clearance section now. I'm curious to see when or where they started extended size pricing on the women's. All right, I see size 9.5 women's extended size priced. These are down to what, $80? 80, and then you get another 30 on top. 50 for the Air Force One platforms right here. These are 110, so these are what, a little under $80. React Pegasus Trails going for $60. That's an alpha colorway, but $60, 30% off. That's $42. Same price for the Blazer Lows. Did that make sense? Did I say same price? Same price. Did I have a super Asian accent? You got these right here, the GT cuts right here, $60. These are 9.5. You won't find any cheaper than that. Certain things are not extended size priced, but you can ask. A really huge section, not really seeing too much. $70 for the women's Air Max 2017. It's got gray and pink. Got some stuff like this. Could probably use this for weightlifting. These are 10.5. Hella cheap. Yeah, nothing much else in terms of heat. Wait, I bypassed these right here. Got Jordan 2s right here. Still too much. 110. That comes out to probably what, 80 something dollars. And then some golden bullets right here. 120 it looks like. More the regular sizes, size 8.5. Jordan 2s, black and gold right here. 110 for these. I do got some of these foam thingies. What the hell are these called? Something posits, clog posits. Go for 140 still. 130 for these GT cut 3s. Invincible Flyknits right here. Man, still 180, dude. All right, we are checking out the women's aisles now. I just overheard a customer asking if they have some Asics here. What the hell? What the hell? Of course, got tons and tons and tons of the Blazers as usual. Do got some Nike Dunk low twist right here. And these got plastic pieces on the toe box right here, as well as the heel. This part's a little different, and then this comes out. But yeah, $100, dude. So got Air Forces right here. Got platforms, got the regular ones. Gamma Forces, we've seen these for hella cheap at the retail stores. Nike Waffle debuts right here. Waffle ones. And these are what people ran in the 70s, right? They used these for running in the 70s. Crazy. Just made these off a waffle iron. That's just, man, that's crazy. Of course, fools were playing hoops and chucks, right? There were professional players wearing chucks. Throw away your trash, man. Y'all, some of y'all dirty as hell, man. 270s right here. Air Max 97s. Got some Air Max Plus Drift with some, looks like metal mesh right in between. I don't think it is, but interesting look. Got some of the Free Metcon 5s. A couple of them. And I think that's about it for the women's, dude. A bunch of generic on top of generic. 30% off some randomness over here, some accessories and stuff like that. Okay, $13 for everyday plus socks right here. These are the quarter length socks. $13. I don't know, is that a great deal? I don't know, I feel like the 6-packs are cheaper. You got some backpacks right here, Jordan backpacks. These are going for $60. No, $60, 30 off. 60 for those. They don't look that great. Got more socks right here. Nike swimming. Should I buy these for my kiddo? Oh, 39. No, I'm not buying these. I'm not paying $39 for them. I do want to get him some goggles for next summer. And buying off season always the best way to get the deals. What the hell is this? I don't know. Hydro Strong briefs. Oh, the underwear or something? What the hell? Swimming underwear? Why do you need swimming underwear? So confused. On feet, Airmore up-tempo slides. I freaking love these slides. I got these from the refurbished Nike website. They had a website for like, I think 2-3 weeks, maybe a couple months. But they were test piloting it. It did not survive. I loved that website. I think they charged $7 for shipping. These shoes came out like $35, maybe 40 after shipping and taxes maybe. And Niners gear for the shorts. Niners lost this past weekend. That pissed me off, dude. Some BS, man. Terrible coaching, in my opinion. It is what it is. One of the Niner fan homies was like, "Oh, we were down. So were the Rams, and you know, we had a 14-point lead. Come on, dude. I can't give up 14-point leads." It is what it is. I just noticed. Look at this, 40% off. This is jackets only, and oh, these aren't the jackets. These are just USC T-shirts. So you're not gonna get that extra discount. I was like, damn, they got extra discount. $35 for those. I guess they don't have any jackets here. I guess these sweatshirts, $50. I guess you get a little discount off of these. And then the Creeper Cam action right here. They got those the Jordan 1 High, the Jordan 1 High OGs right there. They got those bad boys. Yeah, they do have the Jordan 1 High OGs on sale. But that's about it, you guys. That's about it. Nike outlet Torrance. All right, man. We out. Make sure you press the like button. Make sure you subscribe to all that good stuff. And then hopefully I got a preview for the next video. All right, we're out. Let's go. And right next door, I don't know about you guys, I think greeting cards are the biggest waste of money. So next I did come to Trader Joe's, because Trader Joe's, they got 99-cent greeting cards, yo. 99-cent greeting cards. $6-7 for a greeting card. It's just stupid as hell, man. I'm sorry. Might as well grab a few groceries. Pink Lady's one of my favorite apples. And 69 cents, one of my favorite numbers. Unexpected grocery shopping. Apparently, dark chocolate really good for you. So, yeah, my kid won't eat it, so got him some milk chocolate. Out in Santa Clarita, they got Tech Fleece pants down to $30. And they got a few different Tech Fleece jackets here for $40. Pretty big markdowns with Zoom Freak 5s as low as $30. Then got Roshi's right here, $20 for Roshi's. Really? Sorry. Let's check it out. LaMelo hoodies right here. Do I see the Ja Morant shorts? Yeah, dude, Nike Ja Morant shorts.